These are hard times for Mexico's state-run oil company. This is the image the government would like to promote. This has been the reality. The current administration admits not even record income from rising global petroleum prices can fix the many problems facing Petróleos Mexicanos, or Pemex. That's despite Mexico having some of the world's largest resources of so-called black gold. Last year, a major platform burst into flames. 22 Pemex workers were killed. The Contreras offshore oil field supplies 60% of Mexico's oil. The blaze lasted for more than 2 months. Many employees spent days at sea before being rescued. This man worked on a platform alongside some of the men who died.
Workers aren't provided with adequate security. Equipment is in really bad shape. Private companies don't invest in safety.
He spoke out on those issues and was subsequently fired for unspecified reasons. The blast at the oil rig followed another setback for Pemex just months earlier, when, according to officials, armed guerrillas attacked several natural gas lines belonging to Pemex. The damage? Tens of millions of dollars. Arguably worse, the incident highlighted major security breaches at Pemex installations across the country. But securing Pemex is a problem. It's everywhere. It's the country's only petrol station brand, and for 80 years, it's been a symbol of Mexico's national sovereignty against foreign economic powers. The official government line? Pemex is a national company, but workers at this installation tell me a silent privatization of the Mexican oil sector has long been underway. At least one U.S. company, whose investors include high-ranking members of the Bush administration, recently signed scores of contracts with Pemex amounting to $2 billion. That's angered many in the surrounding community, who complain Pemex has done little for the people of Mexico.
We don't live off Pemex. On the contrary, they live off us.
Nearly 40% of Mexico's federal budget comes from Pemex revenues. Opening the state oil company to more foreign investment is politically risky, but some argue necessary.
There's all kinds of things that we can do within the current legal framework without changing the Constitution, without annoying people, without having to get engaged in heavy debates. The problem is that people need to back off a little bit on the debate.
Easier said than done, with tensions running high as the country finds itself deeply divided over Pemex's future. But all sides are hoping Mexico's once mighty economic workhorse may one day find greener pastures. Franc Contreras, Al Jazeera, Villahermosa, Mexico.